Oh my God. That's good. Just a funny TikTok I saw the other day. Ooh, Starbucks right at home. That's delicious. Good morning. Good morning. And then this one's just soaking up the sun. So cozy. Good morning. Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. I got little Sagey here with me today. I wanted to share a version as a busy mompreneur, as I call it. Balancing work life, mom life is kind of crazy these days. And I wanted to talk about today's sponsor, Evive, who I've actually known about for years now. They are sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. I've known about these probably since Matt and I were living downtown, babyless. I was still working my 9-to-5 marketing job and I thought I had busy mornings. Now I really have busy mornings. But they're such great options for just making sure you're getting all your nutrients for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whenever you want to make a smoothie. These are already made smoothie cubes. They're great because they already come portioned out. They come in so many different flavors. Might have to pass her to daddy. Hey, you're getting bored? Okay, to daddy. So the reason why I love Evive is because they have a nice mixture of fruit and veg. They're also certified organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, plant-based, and you can pretty much find them at most grocery stores across the US and Canada. And you can even buy them online, which makes it really easy just to get shipped right to your door. And if you want to save some money, you can use my code HealthNut10 to save $10 off your first order. I will have the link down below. But let's make breakfast because I'm hungry and Matt has Sage and I'm just gonna have a few moments of mommy time to myself. Is that mommy time if Sage isn't with me? Me time, that's what I'm having. Okay, so two options I'm gonna show you guys in a jar. You can just pop the smoothie cubes into the jar, fill it with whatever liquid you want, water or milk, and then just let it thaw and do its thing, and then you just shake it up and you're ready to go. And then what I'm gonna do today for me is I'm gonna use my blender and I'm gonna do a little smoothie bowl. I'm gonna add just a couple of ingredients to it, make a smoothie bowl, because I wanna be a little fancy with this cute magenta pink one today. See how it tastes? Oh my God. Wow. That's good. Just a funny TikTok I saw the other day. Okay, first bite.
Oh my God, that's a 10 out of 10.
But it's cold, but it's really good. So easy. If you don't want to blend it, no problem. We got the blender free option. So you just let it sit for about 20 minutes and it will thaw up, and then you just shake it. Hopefully I have the lid on right. Woo, magic. That is beautiful. Okay, we gotta get a close up. Ooh, it's like, is there lemon in that one? Ooh, pineapple, lemon. It's like a blue lemonade. Oh, that's so good. Okay, I'm gonna have breakfast. I'll see you guys for lunch. Be back soon. So for lunch, I'm gonna just whip up a really quick salad, so easy. I already have a bunch of like pre-chopped veggies that I have, like radish, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. I like to just have that on hand in the fridge so I can throw something like this together real quick. For my protein, I'm thinking I'm just gonna make, I'm kind of craving a tuna salad, but I'm all out of canned tuna. So I'm gonna make a tuna chickpea salad. It's really easy. So I'm gonna quickly make that so I can just add it to my salad, and it just gives it like, it's gonna add like a dressing, but also just give it some substance. So it's not just lettuce and veggies, you know? Okay, let's make that. All right, the chickpea tuna salad is made. I actually didn't try it yet. Ooh, very lemony. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna take some greens. So I'm just gonna add in some arugula. That guy's no good. I also have some baby spinach, some on the floor. Just gonna add some cucumber, radishes. I like the mixture of crunch, something juicy like tomatoes. Matt does not like tomatoes, but I sneak them into everything. And I'm gonna just top it with the chickpea tuna salad. This is also really great just to add into a sandwich or a wrap, or even just to dip crackers with. I'm also gonna add some sunflower seeds, adding a little more lemon juice, a quick drizzle of olive oil, and I'm just gonna toss everything together. Salad, salad. Matt gets very excited when I make salad for lunch.
Very excited.
Here, I'll do mine and you can do yours. I need like a chickpea tuna.
Is it tuna?
It's chickpeas that taste like tuna. This arugula is so big.
Good.
Like it?
Yeah, healthy.
Just got a video up. New vlog. Just checking how it's doing, checking comments. Okay, well, it's not dinner time, but we like to make dinner a little bit earlier so that it's ready to go by the time we put Sage down for bedtime, since she goes down around like 6:30. Before Sage, I felt like we used to eat dinner so late, and now we're like, okay, what's for dinner at 5 o'clock? And it's nice because even though I have a love-hate relationship with daylight savings, the nice thing is it's lighter longer. So it feels like it's still 3 o'clock, but really it's later in the day. So for dinner, I wanted to show you guys these new Evive meal lunch options that they have now. This is the mac squash one, and what's really fun, they have 3 flavors. What's fun is you can make them, you can just heat them up and make them into a soup, or you can use them as a sauce or like a curry or something. There's so many options, but I'm gonna use the mac squash to make baked mac and cheese. I'm gonna add some broccoli in there for extra veggies. I think I'm gonna do like a breadcrumb topping and then bake it, and that's gonna be our dinner. I actually have a baked mac and cheese in my cookbook. Let me just find it. So what I'm gonna do is do a variation. I'm not gonna do, in the book, I do like a quinoa breadcrumb topping, which is really, really good, but I don't have any cooked quinoa on hand right now. So I'm gonna do a combination of breadcrumbs with my almond flour parm. It's so good. It's a dairy-free Parmesan cheese that's really easy to make, and you make it out of almond flour. So I'm gonna do that with the Evive mac squash sauce, and I gotta cook some pasta. I don't have any macaroni. I think I have penne. Is it still considered macaroni and cheese if you use penne? Like penne and cheese? Doesn't have the same ring, but that's what we're gonna use. It smells so good. Okay, there you have it. Dinner done. I'm very excited about this new product. I don't know why I still have these on. This is super easy, so much easier than making the sauce from scratch. So I'm definitely gonna be using this for just like busy nights when I'm just feeling tired as a mom and I don't wanna have a lot to do for dinner. So I'm gonna dig into this, and I just gotta find a spatula, and we're gonna have this for dinner. Not right now, once we get Sage down for a nap, but I just wanted to show it now while they're still light out right now. Just made a batch of fresh popcorn with the classic Old Bay seasoning from my cookbook. It's so good. And then homemade healthy soda. Well, Matt's doesn't have stevia in it, but I just like to add to sparkling water some stevia and fresh citrus, usually lemon or lime. And this is gonna be our little late night snack. All right, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. We're gonna have some snacks, watch a movie, and just chill for the rest of the night. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again to Evive for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Oh, Sage just woke back up. Wish us luck. We're gonna try to get her back to sleep. This girl takes the middle spot so nobody else can fit. Nobody else.
That's so bad. That's so bad. That's your bed, babe. Sleepy puppy.
Excuse me.
Good girl.
We're gonna watch a movie?
Yep.
Popcorn?